To bet on sports using Skrill. You first need to understand what Skrill is and how it works. Skrill is an e-wallet that allows you to make online transactions, including depositing and withdrawing funds from sports betting sites. The process is straightforward and begins with creating a Skrill account. Once you have a Skrill account, you need to fund it. This can be done through various methods such as bank transfers, credit cards, or other payment options. After your Skrill account is funded, you can proceed to find a sports betting site that accepts Skrill as a payment method. Many reputable sports betting sites support Skrill, so this should not be difficult. Next, you create an account on the sports betting site and go to the deposit section. Here, you select Skrill as your payment method and enter the amount you wish to deposit. You will then be redirected to the Skrill website to confirm the transaction. After the funds are deposited into your sports betting account, you can start placing bets. This involves selecting the sport and event you are interested in, choosing your bet type, and entering the stake amount. It is crucial to set a budget and stick to it to avoid overspending. When you win a bet, you can withdraw your winnings back to your Skrill account. The process is similar to depositing, but in reverse. You go to the withdrawal section of the sports betting site, select Skrill, and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. The funds will then be transferred back to your Skrill account. Best practices include keeping your Skrill account and sports betting account information secure, monitoring your transactions, and being mindful of any fees associated with using Skrill. Additionally, it is essential to bet responsibly and within your means. In conclusion, betting on sports using Skrill is a convenient and secure way to enjoy online sports betting. By following these steps and maintaining good practices, you can have a positive and enjoyable experience.